today I'm going to talk about microfiber towels. A little bit different subject for me, but I was on a search for a perfect microfiber towel. I already had a couple of these, which are a little bit thicker, but really handy. I only have two and I keep washing them over and over so that I have them to use. So that put me on the search for the ones that I found, and I'll talk to you about that in just a minute. The other microfiber towel I have is one that I got at a car wash. I actually have a couple of these that I got at a car wash a long time ago, and I really love these as well, but they're way bigger than what I would normally use just around the house. So I'm going to talk to you about the ones that I purchased. I purchased this AIDEA towel, I think that's how you say it, on Amazon. They're $16.95 and I got a set of 50. Okay, so my thought was, what am I gonna do with 50 towels, right? Well, I'm not having any trouble at all. I just got these yesterday and let's see, I did some light dusting, I wiped down my appliances, I cleaned after a kitchen mess, and don't even remember what I used this one for, but I'm having a blast with them. They really are replacing their thicker version of a paper towel, because they are kind of thin, but they're very absorbent. You know, I just go ahead and wet them, wipe down whatever I need to wipe down, and then I go ahead and just rinse them out and throw them in the washer. I am in love with them. So I hope that you check them out. There was quite a few different versions to choose from. This one even came in like a 100 pack. I think I'm good with 50 for now, so I'll put the links below. I hope you find this video helpful, but I definitely would check them out. I think they're gonna last a long time. If my husband takes them out and works on his tools or whatever, greasy cleanup, I just think that even if I have to throw it away, it'll definitely be worth the 34 cents I paid for the towel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.